Hi, welcome to Plum Grove Assembly of God. I'm Dawson. There are a lot of things going on around here, and we need you to get involved. Last Sunday, there was lots of food and friendly people getting together. The burgers and hot dogs were outstanding, and so was the water slide. Just ask anyone who dared coming down it. Free shoes and food was distributed yesterday in the Family Life Center.
You know, Christ loved us first, and because He loved us, we feel the need to show love to those outside the church in our community.
Dice que la línea va a empezar hasta las 10 de la mañana, todos están aquí presentes. Si alguien necesita ir al baño, puede ir, solamente van a necesitar llenar una hoja de papel al final de todo el trabajo que se va a hacer.
And we're going to open the doors a little early, so we're probably going to open the doors in about, 5 or 10 minutes?
Volunteers worked throughout the morning getting everything passed out.
Well, I want to help with the people there that need shoes and food, and we're just passing them out to them.
I want to help the kids.
Hola, Dios los bendiga, mi nombre es Juan Carlos y estoy ayudando aquí porque Dios ha sido bueno conmigo y me gusta ayudar al que necesita. Dios les bendiga.
And then when she leaves, she can get the food.
You like those? Can I put this one on? Solo gracias. There
My job is to make sure that the cards, the Vacation Bible School and the science cards put in, make sure that their shoes and socks that they come in with goes into the bag. And then I give them the directions to go and stand in line until they can get a seat.
Thanks to all the volunteers helping out.
I work with Plum Grove Assembly, and this summer we have some exciting events going on. I would like to share with you a little bit of information about our Vacation Bible School. It's going to be a lot of fun for all of our kids. We're so excited. It's going to be starting Monday the 9th, and it's going to run through Friday the 13th. We'll look forward to having you there.
We just want to invite everybody to come out next week to Vacation Bible School. It'll be Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to noon for kindergarten through 5th grade students. It's all about Jesus Rescues.
On Friday, following our VBS events, we'll be having an award ceremony for all of our kids. We would love to have you be a part.
I'm Dawson. Join us on our Facebook page at Plum Grove Assembly of God.